It's a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Fortified, capable, and ready. This is your ticket to those places that don't charge admission. The mountain paths and forest trails inspire your adventuresome spirit. Break down the barriers with its removable top and let Hill Start Assist, electronic stability control, and four-wheel drive capabilities deliver you to the summit. With its 4 doors, the whole family will easily be able to come along for the adventure. The underbody armor, durable and washable interior with drain plugs, and advanced multi-stage airbags keep the good times rolling and looking good. Authentic, rugged, iconic. This 4x4 Freedom machine is ready to impress. Come in for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.